Hi everyone. CowSwap, one of the most trusted decentralized exchange on Ethereum, was hacked recently. A DNS hijacking happened and the website is down right now. We're trying to open Cow.fi, but it's blocked by the phantom if we make continue, and it's also blocked by the MetaMask. So I'm not wanna go to more continue, and immediately if you trade on Cow.fi and make you swap or any kind of transaction, it's urgent. Come here on the revoke.cash and remove your all approval to CowSwap. Make sure and keep update on the Cow DAO and on the Twitter, and let me explain how happened the DNS attack. The attacker gained registered access and modify the DNS record, and it's set on fake website. Here we can see the goes live on cow.fi, and when user connect with the cow.fi, the DNS replace the hacker IP address and it's load the fake CowSwap app. When user connects wallets and signs and approvals, user the funds is drained and it's loss. So make sure you have to revoke the approvals and also connect on the blockade, and you can stay on for more informations. And one important things, never Google your URL. Make sure you are the URL is bookmarked, and you have to open the directly correct URL here. Like I'm open this website exceldraw.com, so you have to type manually the exact words to open crypto websites mostly.